As part of their new architecturally designed coastal view retirement village on the Tahunanui Hills in Nelson, Ryman Healthcare sought a retaining wall solution that would optimise the land they had available while adding to the aesthetics of their new generation retirement village. With construction to commence at the start of winter, contractors Schick Construction and engineers Oricon approached Cirtex regarding the construction of 3 MagnumStone retaining walls. With the possibility of different design methods being required, MagnumStone gravity walls provided the ideal solution in areas of the site where a low height, in-cut retaining wall was to be installed. For higher walls, where more fill was necessary, the MagnumStone gravity system could easily transition to the more cost-effective, mechanically stabilised earth solution, made easier by the availability of high-quality, locally sourced fill. Each retaining wall had unique design requirements, yet all walls required their finished aesthetics to be consistent throughout the site. Approximately 60 metres and 80 metres in length, the 2 smaller gravity walls with extenders allowed for shorter tieback length compared to the height of the wall. At 186 metres long, with a design height ranging from 0.5 to 3.7 metres high, the third wall also included a 3.3 metre wide, 37 metre long ramp. A gravity wall was initially considered, however due to the height of the wall, the tiered MagnumStone MSC design option with a 3 metre strata grid tieback proved more cost effective. Owing to a wet winter, Schick Construction were challenged with extreme rain and saturated site material.
So we began construction on this MagnumStone wall in the winter of 2022. We had to start at the lowest point of the MagnumStone wall due to the earthworks and the design of the wall. During the winter months, obviously being the lowest point, we did have rain come in and it did affect our program. We were able to move forward in the dry periods with prepping the base. As soon as we got away from the base blocks, even if the weather turned on us, we were still able to move forward just due to the design of the MagnumStone walls. So with the strata grid attached to the blocks, the team were able to continue, keep placing blocks, fill the blocks with the chip as per design and keep moving forward.
Speed, ease of construction and the flexibility of the MagnumStone system meant the clean transition between gravity and MSC design methods did not disrupt the overall aesthetic.
So construction was super simple. We had a 3-man crew, a 13-ton excavator. We found the product super safe, just with lifting points on top of the blocks themselves. Connections were easy, placement was easy, and it meant there was no halts in our program. We could just move forward efficiently.
With the help of Cirtex's custom-designed gravity clamp, the walls were completed using 150mm capping blocks, creating a tidy continuous top edge along the entire structure. Desiring an aesthetically pleasing retaining wall system that could be built during winter in challenging conditions, Ryman Healthcare, along with Cirtex, Oricon and Schick Construction, were able to successfully maximise land use and keep construction going by using the MagnumStone system. Once complete, Ryman's residents will soon enjoy the benefits of a beautiful coastal view.